All right, it is that time of the week again. Time for some real cruise comments, and I'm going to have 3 good ones for you this week. So let's get into the cruise comments. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another episode of what every cruiser wants. All right, I do have 3 new cruise comments for you today. So let's take a look at them, and we can all decide what we think. Is this person right or is this person wrong? Have you seen this comment on the cruise boards from A? It says, on a recent Carnival cruise, I noticed that during the playing of the American national anthem, the CD did not salute the flag, only held his arms at his side and didn't even remove his hat. Is this Carnival's policy? If not, and it is his personal or political choice, I don't think he should be hosting the event. Anyone else notice this and know the policy? I had mentioned this to him on a previous cruise and he just ignored me. As a Vietnam veteran serving 2 tours with the 5th Infantry Division, I find this to be sickening to my stomach. Where is the respect? He should remove his cap, put his hand across his heart, and be American. If he cannot do this, then he should not host this. First and foremost, this didn't even happen to this individual. He read something on the internet that it supposedly happened to somebody else. Then they felt the need to write in a comment about something they read on the internet that apparently happened to somebody else. Let's just start right with that. You're really writing in comments on things that didn't even happen to you. You just happened to read on the internet. Now, you'll have to judge for yourself whether this cruise director was right or wrong. But the only part on this I really want to point out is that here in the comment it said he should be American. And I wonder if they understand that the majority of crew members on board cruise ships, well, they're not even American. They come from other countries. And just because they're on a cruise ship and you're American doesn't mean they have to do what you think somebody should have to do. Maybe what's right for us and what we think is decorum in our country may not be what is in their country. But you guys let me know what you think about this particular comment. Are they right? Are they wrong? Or honestly, should they not even have said anything because it didn't even happen to them? They just read it on the internet. Should cruise lines be all-inclusive, or should they be the way that they are now, where you have the option to purchase a drink package, you have the option to purchase a Wi-Fi package, or should just automatically be rolled all into one right at the beginning, and then people don't have a choice? You know, maybe I could see the option for it to be all-inclusive, and then still the option just to have a base fare. But according to this comment, it's what we all want. All-inclusive resorts are a direct competitor to Carnival. Other lines like blank and blank have increased their fare price to go all-inclusive to combat the business all-inclusives are taking from them. The biggest thing these cruise companies have going for them is that tips are included and booze is included and specialty restaurants plus internet are included. That is worth hundreds a person anyways. I asked on our roll call if people would want Carnival to raise their cruise fares to go all-inclusive. 85% said yes. Take a strong note of this and make sure that the people at the top of the ladder see the wish to go all-inclusive. All right, are you part of that 85%? Do you wish that cruise lines would go all-inclusive? Do you want them to stay just the way they are? Or maybe a combination of both, the option to go all-inclusive or the option to have just a base fare. My recent experience with Princess Cruise Lines, for example, I have the option to either just get the cruise fare, I can go Princess Plus or Princess Premium. So I have different inclusive options that I can choose for my own fare, and I think maybe that is the best way to go. Give people a choice. Just don't make it all-inclusive up front and then people have no choice, because what do people who don't drink have an interest in a fare that includes drinking? They're not going to want to pay for something that they don't partake in. What if they don't want the internet? What if they don't care about specialty restaurants? I find it hard to believe that 85% of everybody wants it all-inclusive, but I'm going to throw it out to you guys. You let me know what you think. Should it be all-inclusive? Should it not? Or be a combination of the two? So who goes on a cruise? Who goes on a cruise line that says they are a family cruise line? They cater to families. A cruise line where you're gonna see some kids on board the ship and then write in a comment because you saw kids in certain areas on the ship. Well, this person sure did. DW and me love the steak restaurant. Our favorite is on the Pride. It is beautiful and we love the ambiance and we love the service. These things were totally spoiled this week, gone when DW and me shared the restaurant with children aged no more than 7 or 8. They were loud from the moment they sat down. What the hell are children doing there? I did not know you had started to allow children. There should be an age requirement. I would love it if I didn't have to listen to screaming kids in a restaurant we love. We decided not to be parents before, but if my child was acting up, I would respect others' wishes to dine in peace and remove them from the restaurant. If you had child-free restaurants, people would be lining up to get in. Please ban the kids. It is a popular view from here, just saying. So they go to the steak restaurant, are shocked to see kids there, and they want to know what the hell are kids doing in this restaurant. Shocking that there's kids on a cruise ship. Oh my God. Shocking that kids are sitting down to eat dinner. Oh my God. On a cruise ship that caters to families. Oh my God. If you don't want to dine with kids, if you don't want kids on cruise ship, pick a cruise line that is adults only. Do not expect cruise lines to change for you. Do not think that they're going to stop serving children food in certain places on the ship because you decided not to have children and don't like anybody else's children. Guess what? Kids make noise. I got 4 of them. They make noise. They're adults. They still make noise. But I think this is probably the wrong cruise line for you. But I'm going to throw it out to you guys again because this is all about what you guys think about these questions, about these comments. Do you think that they should ban children in certain restaurants? Or do you think perhaps if you want a cruising experience with no children, perhaps you should pick a cruise line that is adults only, and there is one out there. All right, and that is your cruise comments for this week. However, before I put it into this particular video, I'm trying to get comments from other cruise lines, kind of get some comments in from the cruise industry for a whole. So I have a bonus comment for you guys this week. Just one to show you that all of the cruise lines sometimes get some of the silliest stuff written into them. It is ridiculous and a disgrace that Princess is offering me an upgrade on a booked cruise. Only if I start bidding. Well, I guess this person doesn't feel that everybody should have equal opportunity to bid on an upgrade. They've already booked a cabin, so they should just be offered an upgrade and forget everybody else. But you guys let me know what you think. Personally, I like the bidding program. I have used Royal Caribbean's version, the Royal Up program, on multiple occasions. I pick the rooms I want. I bid on them. I like the process. Princess Cruise Lines, now you can do the same thing over there as well. You have the opportunity to bid on cabin upgrades. And I think it's a good opportunity. For those that want upgrades, they can bid. For those that have picked their cabin and are happy, they're good. For those that just really don't have an interest in it at all, they're still good. I think it gives everybody a equal playing field. But you guys let me know what you think about our bonus comment for today. All right, and that is going to be the actual end of what every cruiser wants this week. I hope you have enjoyed these comments and said, let me know below what you guys think. Are these people right or are these people wrong? Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video so you can keep up with videos just like this so you can always know what every cruiser wants. Hope everyone out there is having a really great weekend, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.